Hello kids, today we are going to see chapter number 4, Advanced Features of Word 2013. Chapter number 4, Advanced Features of Word 2013. In this lesson, let's learn about header, footer, adding date and time, and page number. In part 1, we are going to learn about header, footer, adding date and time, page number. Okay, let's see this. Kids, today we are going to see about headers and footers in Word document. Let's see what's the use of the header and footer. Headers and footers are typically used in multiple page documents. Where there are many pages now, we use header and footer in those documents. Okay. To display descriptive information, to give some special information, descriptive information. Okay. In addition to page numbers, a header or footer can contain information such as the document name, the date and time, an author name, a graphic, a draft. Okay, so this is what we are going to see, how we are going to insert a header or footer in the Word document. What is a header? A header is a piece of text that is printed at the top of each page in the top margin in a document, whereas a footer is printed at the bottom of each page in the margin. So we are going to see how we are going to insert a header and how we are going to insert a footer also. Okay, kids? Kids, now we are going to see how to insert header at the top of the Word document. This is our Word document. On the top margin, can you see this gray scale is there? This is called as margin. Margin here also, this is a horizontal margin and this one is a vertical margin. Yeah. And the empty space here, if you click now, you cannot type. Your typing will start after the margin. Yeah. But in this margin place, we can insert header and footer. If you double click in the margins place, the header will come. If you double click in the margin place, the gray area is there now. Where is the gray area? In that place, if you click, the header will open. This is the shortcut way of opening the header. What is header? A header is a piece of text that is printed at the top of each page in the top margin. This is our top margin in a document. Okay, kids. So when I am when I'm clicking this header place, we get a new tab called as header and footer tools, and design tab will appear under the heading of header and footer tools. Okay, this one also comes when we are clicking the in header position, when we are inserting header. Okay, so by default, this header size by default will be 0.5 inches. This is 0.5 inches on the top of the page. Okay, header is at the top of the page. If you just scroll down and go down, footer will be at the bottom of the page. Okay, so header and footer will come at the same time. If I reduce the zoom out now, you can see both at the same time. Can you see the header and footer? Yeah. If I click in the footers place, I can type in the footers place. And if I'm clicking on the headers place, I can type in the headers place. Okay. Kids, now let's see how to type the header. We have to double click in the margin place. I'm double clicking here in the margin place. I got my header. This was one of the shortcut method I said now. The other one method is, let me close the header and footer. See, this is the one to close the header and footer. I can do like this. Okay. And now if I really want to take it from my tab, I have to click this insert. In the insert tab, you can see here header and footer group. Can you see header and footer group? In this we have header option, footer option, and the additional one is page number option. Okay, so we have to just click the header option. In the header option, we have different templates. Already created designs are called as templates. You can take it anything, any of these design from this header place. Okay, yeah, already created design. Some are with the page number, some are only with the title. Yeah, I'll take this one. Okay, see, the header has come here. Now, document title. We have to give some document title here now. So in this document title place, I have to click. Yeah, and I can start writing. Yeah, INTERNATIONAL, International Indian School, Jeddah. Okay, got it? So I can type. Even if I want to increase the size of this one, I have to just hold this placeholder and I have to go to Home tab and increase the size. See, it is getting increased. Even I can change the font, bolder, any design I can change. Even if I don't like this pink color now, I can change that color also. Go to Design tab, Format tab. And this one, see, just go here. If you want to change it to blue color, you can change this. Okay, so this is how I can insert. So what is the speciality of the header? You know, if I want to come out, I have to click close header. Yeah, I have to click the close header option, or otherwise I can double click in this place, in the normal document place. Okay, see, yeah, I double click and it went. Okay, so here what's this? If I type anything in the header, it becomes gray, but when I'm taking print out now, it will be in the normal bright blue color only. It looks a little lighter, but it will, when we are taking print out, the original color will come. What is the speciality? If I want to go to the next page, see, I'm going to the next page. I'm pressing enter to go to the next page. See, my header will be in all the pages. Can you see? In all the pages, my header will come. I'll just reduce and just show. See? Can you see? All the pages, my header will be there. Got it, kids? So, if I type in one page, automatically it will come in all the other pages. Okay. Same way, if I want to change, I'm again clicking on the header. Yeah. And when I'm clicking, I get new two tabs. Because I am having the colored part here, I get drawing tool format tab. If I don't have this color text box now, it will not come. Because I have written in the text box, this is coming. Okay, in the design tab, if I want to change, if I want to insert, yeah, I'm removing this, I'm deleting this one. Okay, I'm now typing directly on the paper. See, I'll just increase the size now. Okay, I'm typing directly in the paper now. International Indian School, Jeddah. Okay, now same way I can, now I'm typing on the normal headers place. Yes, I just click the header and I'm typing there. I'm increasing the size. Yeah, I can give center alignment. I can change the font color. Even I can take any color from here to change my font. I can change the font style. Yeah, everything can be done here. Same way, if I want a different first page, I have to click this one. See, different first page. What I want to give here, computer science. I will give here computer science. Okay, and I will increase the font size. I'm doing all these changes in the headers place. Okay, see, computer science. If I'm reducing the size, you can see, my first page is having a different header and my next page is having another header, right? So how can I do it? I have to click the headers position. This is first page. See, different odd page and even page also we can give. So if I put this tick now, and I will write here International Indian School in the second page. See. Okay, I'm writing here, I'm increasing. I have kept this mode because you can see both the pages and both the headers are different. Because of that I'm giving. Okay, this is my odd page. You all know now what is odd page. 1, 3, 5, 7 is odd numbers now. So odd pages will be having this heading and even pages will have different heading. Okay, actually this is my first page. Now this is, see, even page header is written now. Let's check. I'll bring my cursor. I'm creating one more page here. See, third page. Now this one is, this is odd page. Odd page, let me try to give another. I will just give here our lesson name, advanced feature of Word 2013. Okay, now let's check what's happening. Press enter. See, now this is my first page is having a different header. My even page, see, even page now, even page is having another header. My odd page is having another header, and see, even page will be same. All the even page will have the same header and odd page will have same header. Got it? So I can use these options to do my differentiation in my header place. Okay, kids? If I want to go to footer, I have to click this button. See, I have to just click this button. My footer is ready. Can you see? Here also I can give first page footer, even page footer and odd page footer. Yeah. For that also we can check. If I write here term 1, I will write in the footer. Same, I can do any changes. I can change the color of the text. I can do bold, italics, underline. Yeah, any changes can be done in the header and footers place. Okay, remember that, kids. Even page, I'll just give I'll give 34 here. Number 34 I'll just give. Okay, I'm increasing the some font, and for odd page I will give one number. 15 let me give. It's only for reference I'm giving, kids. We can write any text, we can give any notification in these pages. You can write your name in all the pages. One page you can write the teacher's name, the other page you can write your subject name and your name as an assignment in this Word document. Okay, kids, all these features you will be using when you are in the higher class, when you prepare your own projects. Now at that time you will use all these things. Okay, see, first page is having different header. See, term 1 is here. In even pages I have 34 number, and in odd pages you can see now what I typed in the previous odd page, the 15 is here. Got it, kids? This is our header and footer. So in this place you can type your name, yeah, and you can give your roll number here, yeah, and you can make your project report. If you want to give the project title, you can give here or in the first page also. Got it, kids? If you try this, then only you will get it. Okay, and if I want to include page number, I will show in this video itself, kids. See, go to the insert tab, go to the page number. If I type page numbers now, see, it is not automatically generating, right? But if I give this page number option, I can give the page number at the top of the page. See, it is showing me now at the top of the page. I can give page numbers. There are different templates. Yeah, I can select any page number, any style of page number here on the top of the page. See, this is my 5th page, 3rd page. Yeah, so page number I have given here. If I want to change the page number to the footers place, I can do that also. Page number comes in the design tab also. Here also I can make the change. 2 places we can see this header and footer group. One is in the insert tab, header and footer group, and header, footer and page number option. Same way the same group is available in the design tab, header and footer group. In this we have this 3 options: header, footer and page number. Here also I can make the change to bring the page number to the bottom of the page. Templates are here. You can select any of these templates. Can you see the page number has come at the bottom also? Yeah, see, this is our page number here. Can you see? This is our page number 3. In odd pages it's not coming. Even Sorry, in even pages it's not coming, in odd pages it is coming. Okay kids, so this is our page number option. If we want all the pages also, it will come for us. Okay, so here is our header and footer tools design tab. In this we have used these options: different first page, different order even pages, and showed the document text. And here it is header and footer group in the design tab itself. Okay, so this is one of our important part in this lesson, how to insert a header and footer in our Word document. Okay kids? Kids, just now we have seen about headers and footers. So let's revise this header and footer. Okay. A header is a piece of text that is printed at the top of each page in the top margin in a document. A footer is printed at the bottom of each page in the margin. By default, headers are printed 0.5 inches from the top of the page and footers are printed 0.5 inches from the bottom of the page. Okay, and headers and footers are usually used to give additional information such as document name, chapter name, page number, or date. Okay kids, so if I want to adjust this default means already available one, right? So if I want to increase the header size, I can do it. I can change this 0.5 inches to 1 inch also. Yeah, even if I want to reduce it, I can do that also in the headers place. Okay, if I want to take this header footer option, I have you can see the top portion of our Word document. Yeah, this is our title bar. Yeah, this is our tabs. These are our tabs, right? These are our tabs, and this is our ribbon, right? In this tab we have to click the insert tab. When I click our insert tab, ribbon will open. This is our ribbon part. On the ribbons we are having, on the ribbon we are having different groups. Yeah, pages group, tables group, now illustration. Yeah, in this I have to select header and footer group for inserting header and footer. Okay, so this is our header and footer group from where I can insert header or footer. And you have seen the shortcut way also. If you double click in the margin place, the gray area, you will get your header automatically. The header will open automatically. Okay, so just click and check how you can give your header and how you can write your name as a footer in the Word document. Okay kids, we have seen this different first page options also kids, right? Yeah, when I am clicking insert tab and I am inserting the header and footer now, at that time I get a new tab. I get a new tab under the heading of header and footer tools design tab. Under the heading header and footer tools design tab. Yeah, in this design tab we have this options group. This is our options group. Can you see? In this option group I can give different first page. I can even give different order even pages. Show document is highlighted means whatever you are typing in that place, the document text will be shown. Even what you are typing in the document down now, not in the header, in the document place, that will also be seen when you are doing some modification. Because of this, the show document text is selected in this checkbox. Okay kids, if you want to hide the header and footer on the first page, or want to use a different header or footer for the first page, then click and select the checkbox for different first page option. You have to just click on this checkbox. If you click on this, a tick mark will come and you will have a different first page. Even you can have a different order even pages, and all the three can also be had. You have just seen the video. Yeah, Try this, kids, then only you will understand. Okay. Let's revise about adding page numbers. We have done this also, kids, right? So let's revise. We can insert page number from the insert tab. We have seen insertion of a page number from insert tab now. Insert tab, and we have the same group in the insert tab also. Yeah, you all remember now? Header and footer group is there in the insert tab. The same group is available in the design tab under the heading headers and footer tools. So design tab under headers and footers tool. Okay. So this if I want to insert a page number, I have to click the design tab, and header and footer group is available. When I click this option, page number option, I will get the page number here. I can insert a page number or at the top of the page, bottom of the page, page margin. I can insert a page number in the page margin also. Even where I am keeping my cursor now, at that position also, I can insert my page number. If I want to remove the page number, then I have to click the remove page number option. Okay, kids, this format page number is nothing but if I want to give ABCD now, I can give format page number in that order also, kids. So it is available here. Okay, this is about our page number. Okay, design tab under header and footer tools, and you have to go to the header and footer group. On that, we have to click the page number command. We will get the page number dialog box, drop down box, and in the drop down box we have to select the option which is required. Try this, then only you can get it. So without practice it will not come, kids. We don't have lab, so you have to practice properly. Okay, kids, the next one is adding date or time in our document. Okay, this is a new one again. So let's see what is this, then I will show you how to do this. Okay, so adding a date or time. How did we get this design tab? If I'm inserting header and footer in my page, I get a new tab, that is our design tab, under the heading headers and footers tools. Yeah, in this design tab I have insert group. Which group? Insert group. Design tab, insert group, and in the insert group I have an option called as date and time option. Can you see? This is our date and time option. If I click this, my date and time dialog box will appear. This is my date and time dialog box. Okay, this will appear, and I can select any available format here, which way I want the date and time to be written in my document. Now I can just select that, and I have to click OK. Okay, I have to just select one and I have to click OK. Where is my cursor? Where I am keeping my cursor, at that particular point my date and time will be inserted. Okay, if you want the date to be changed automatically every time you open the document, select the update automatically option. Can you see here? This is update automatically. Yeah, and click OK. The current date and time will appear at the cursor, at the current cursor position where I'm keeping my cursor now. At that current cursor position my date and time will appear. Click close header and footer in the ribbon, or press escape to come out of this header and footer option. Okay, kids, so let's try how it works. Okay, kids, now let's try how to insert date and time in our Word document. You all remember we have created this header, remember? Yeah. How can I insert my date and time? Just now we saw in the header and footer tool design tab. But we are missing that tab here. Yeah. How will I get that tab? I can just click on the margin place. My header is open already. My header which I have typed now, it is opening, and I'm just using my space bar to go to the next place on the right side. Yeah, now here in this cursor blinking point I want my date and time. So when I click my header and footer place, margin place, I get my header and footer, and when I click that only I get my header and footer tools design tab. Yeah, in this design tab only I have. Here is another design tab, but this design tab is different. To modify our document, we use this design tab under the heading header and footer tools. This is another one. Two design tabs are here. Can you differentiate this two? One is a Word document design tab, and this one is additional one, that is when I insert header and footer tool I get this design tab. In this design tab I have insert group. Can you see this insert group? In this insert group I have my date and time. I'm clicking this. My date and time dialog box appear. My date and time dialog box appear. And in this one I can select any format which is already available. Let's try with this one. Okay, Tuesday, June 2. I'm clicking OK. It is getting inserted. Actually it came down because there is no space, so I'm just moving my cursor. Can you see the whole thing is here? So this one is my date and time. If time is not here, so let's try with the insertion of time also. Yeah, I'm deleting it. I'm going to the design tab, date and time option. Yeah, in the insert group I'm clicking the date and time. I got the date and time dialog box. In this I am selecting the date and time option. See, I'm selecting this and clicking OK. Got it? The current time which my system is having and current date my system is having, that will come and sit in this place. Okay. So when you're preparing any project report, you can specify the date and time at which time you're preparing your project report. So this will help us to do that. Okay. And if I want to update my document, update the date and time, just now we saw, yeah, that also let's try. I'm deleting it. Yeah, I'm going again to the design tab, date and time option. I'm selecting another. Let's try with another format. Yeah, this one, and update automatically. If I click this, then whenever I'm opening this document and saving it at that particular time, the updated time will get registered in this one. Okay, so this is how we can insert date and time in the header. If there is one more question, only in the header can I insert this date and time? No, kids, we can insert this date and time in the normal. This is the document place. See, header places this now. I can do it in the normal. This is the place we type to explore now. So here also in the normal document place also I can insert date and time. Let's check. Okay, yeah, so I have just typed International Indian School Jeddah. It's showing a mistake because I have not given capital letter. So let me change case it, capitalize each word. Yeah, now what I'll do, if I want the date and time down here, I can just go to the insert tab. Can you see here, text group is there. In this text group I have date and time option. Yeah, from here also I can insert date and time. I'll take the same one which I have done it. Okay, see, both the places. So this one I inserted from the insert tab, text group, date and time option, and in the header place I have inserted from the design tab, insert group, date and time. Kids, this remembering this tab and which group is very important. If you practice, if you do this and check, then you will understand how we are getting all these things. So practical knowledge is very important. So try this. You try to type your projects, whatever your English teacher, EVS teachers are giving. Give a title for your you write your EVS, write the lesson name, on which date you are doing. Even if you want to specify the time you are doing, you can do that. Yeah, use this header and footer and check and try to submit in a very good way. Okay, what you're learning now, it will be helpful when you grow up. Even if you're working somewhere, you will use all these options, kids. Okay, so learn it, practice it, then only it will come and you can remember it. Okay, kids, try this out. Kids, next one is editing and deleting headers and footers. Can we edit or delete our header and footer? Yes. Whatever we have given as header and footer can be edited or deleted. Edited means making changes, right? We can edit any spelling mistake. If I want to change the font color, anything can be done with the help of editing. Yeah. And if I don't want the header, that is deleting a header or footer, yes, I can do that. I have to just select the text and I have to press delete key. And how can I come out? I have to just press close header on the ribbon, or otherwise I have to press escape key. Yeah. So follow these steps to edit or delete a header or footer. Double click on the header or footer. Edit or delete the text as required. Click close header and footer in the ribbon or press escape key. Okay. So kids, let's see how to edit and delete our header or footer. This is our header, you all know, top of the page. This is our footer, you all know, this is at the bottom of the page. If I want to make changes to footer, I have to click the double click on in the footer's place, and I can edit. Edit means making changes. I want to change it to second term now. So term 2, let me write here. See, and if I come out, the changes have done so easily. So this is called editing, making changes to the text. It is done. Yeah. If I want to remove this completely, I want to remove this footer, I can do that also. I have to select the text and I have to press delete key. Okay. After doing this, I can close the header, or otherwise I can click anywhere on the document. Okay. This is how I can make the changes. Editing or deleting. Now I have deleted the footer. Let's try with the header. So I am double clicking on the header. Okay. And if I want this computer science lesson to be changed to English, yeah, I'm typing in, yeah, all capital letter. Yeah. And I'm deleting. So this is also called making changes. Done? Yeah. Okay, done. So this is making changes. Okay. If I want to delete it completely, I can delete. Press select and I can press delete. This is our header and footer adjustment place. I told now it is our header is 0.5 inches by default. You can check this here. If I want to reduce it, I can reduce the header. See, my cursor point is going up. Same way I can reduce the footer. This is increasing. I'm reducing the footer. Even I can increase the header size. See, this is what we can do the changes for our header and footer. After doing changes, I can press escape key. Now I'm pressing escape key. It is coming out. I can click on anywhere on my document, or otherwise I can click close header and footer. Okay, these are the ways to delete or edit my header and footer. Now, International Indian School is not in the header place. It is only in the document place. Okay, try this out, kids. Kids, now we have learnt about header and footer, inserting header and footer, page number, and we have seen about inserting date and time. Yeah, so whatever we have seen till now, practice it. Okay, see you in the next part.